The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. It's often insightful seeing people's journeys, and I thought I'd share my voiceover journey to hopefully help someone out there. I'm going to outline them step by step because this was originally a Twitter thread. Step 0. I wanted to make audiobooks. 1. I learned from all the free resources provided by acx.com. 2. I signed up for websites that had a range of lessons for a monthly subscription fee and went through all the beginner lessons. 3. I joined a few monthly Zoom meetups, took advice on equipment from the course, and bought a microphone and interface, Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 pack. 4. I learned how to build a makeshift vocal booth with duvets, pillows, and a laundry trifold. It was pretty cool, if I do say so myself. 5. I started auditioning on acx.com with my setup and got a few audiobook gigs. 6. I also practiced on my own with a few practice scripts I found online and posted these to a SoundCloud playlist with my contact details. 7. I moved to a pay-to-play site and auditioned for every appropriate job I was offered to build experience and get faster and better at editing to specifications. 8. I got great client feedback, which encouraged me to keep going. 9. I invested in a better microphone and another pay-to-play site with the money I had earned from voiceovers. 10. I continued auditioning and getting paid gigs. 11. Somewhere along the line, I bought a course on how to use LinkedIn to market yourself for voiceover and implemented a lot of the strategies proposed. 12. I started getting inquiries from a few people who found me on LinkedIn. 13. Somewhere along the line, I also created a website to showcase what I could do and make it easier for people to contact me and send me inquiries. 14. I also started uploading voiceover sample excerpts of books I read or liked. 15. After a client said they really enjoyed working with me and asked if I did voiceovers in other languages, I started offering voiceovers in French too. 16. I got asked to speak on a panel at a voiceover conference. That was pretty cool. 17. I got asked to do the voiceover narration for an author whose first book I read and absolutely loved in the past. That was a full circle moment for me. 18. At some point, I started coaching a few people on how to be voiceover artists. Let me know if this is something that might interest you. 19. I just thought to mention, I've been providing voiceovers under a company name rather than just me as the entity, but more on that in a story for another thread. And 20. The voiceover journey continues. And here's the TLDR summary. Learn as much as you can from free resources. Start practicing very early on and often. You don't need permission to do this. Audition as often as possible, focusing on learning from the process first. Reinvest money you earn into your craft and equipment. Create your own sample content and share on your social media profiles. Make sure you are findable and contactable wherever you post. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you'd like to learn more about my journey as a voiceover artist, entrepreneur, and a few other things I get up to. Or just drop me a DM to say hi. At Twitter, I'm at Ora Apampa. That's OREAPAMPA. All right, I'm off to do more voiceovers. See you in the next one.